One of the key updates to the problem-solving process is a focus on culturally responsive practices, trauma-informed, and restorative practices as well. When teams are developing and considering intervention strategies that are aligned to the lagging skills that students are having difficulty meeting, it is vital that they consider practices that align with specific student needs and with regards to cultural responsiveness, trauma, and restorative practices. In this document, we offer a definition of each term, and we provide some examples with regards to strategies that teams may find most useful when working with students. Of course, this is not an exhaustive list, and teams should utilize other resources in these three core areas as available and applicable. This is especially true with regards to any additional trainings and support that staff and buildings are currently using to ensure full alignment with strategies and interventions being introduced, modeled, coached around via trainers.